Hello students, today we are going to understand adjective, but firstly you need to know what is adjective. An adjective is a describing word that tells us more about a noun. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो आपको नाउन के बारे में एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन देते हैं उन वर्ड्स को हम बोलते हैं एडजेक्टिव. For example, this is a small pencil. Here, pencil is a noun as it is a thing. So, we are giving an extra information that it is a small pencil. Small is an adjective. Second example, Meena is an intelligent girl. Here, Meena and girl are noun and we are giving an extra information that she is intelligent. So that is adjective. Also, when an adjective occurs before the noun, it is attributive use. For example, this is a small pencil. Here, small is used before a noun. And when an adjective occurs in the predicate without being followed by a noun, it is predicative use. For example, this pencil is small. In this example, adjective small is away from noun, so it will be predictive use. Now let's understand features of an adjective. Most adjectives are gradable, which means that can be compared. जब आप things को compare कर पाओगे उससे बोला जाएगा gradable adjective. For example, small, smaller, smallest. Second is some adjectives are non-gradable, that means they cannot be compared. ऐसी चीज़ें जिससे आप कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते उन्हें हम बोलेंगे नॉन ग्रेडेबल एडजेक्टिव. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, हिस्टोरिक, एक्सटीरियर, लेजेंडरी, पोरस, एक्सेट्रा. नाउ देयर आर सम रेगुलर एडजेक्टिव. वी विल टर्म इट एज बेस फॉर्म और पॉजिटिव, ER form or comparative, EST form or superlative. You may have read about this in previous classes. Easy, easier, easiest, wide, wider, widest, thin, thinner, thinnest, young, younger, youngest, narrow, narrower, narrowest, brave, braver, bravest, close, closer, closest, thick, thicker, thickest, dark, darker, darkest, dim, dimmer, dimmest, lonely, lonelier, loneliest. Whenever in base form ER or EST is added, it is termed as regular adjectives. Now let's have a look upon irregular adjective where ER and EST are not used, like good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, much, more, most, many, more, most, little, less, least, little, smaller, smallest. In last example, ER and EST is used, but the base form is not small. That is why it is termed as irregular. Now we will understand how to change the degree of a sentence. First, steel is the strongest metal. Whenever you see any one thing in a sentence, you will always use superlative degree. One more example, Gaurav is dash in the classroom. So we'll use most intelligent. Only Gaurav is there in class. That is why we'll use superlative degree. Second, steel is stronger than an other metal. Here we'll use comparative degree as two things are compared, steel and other metals. So whenever you see a comparison between two people or two things, we'll use comparative degree. Next, no other metal is as strong as steel. Whenever we are talking alone about a thing, we'll use a positive degree and we'll add as and as in the starting and ending of a word. Like if strong is an adjective, so we'll use no other metal is as strong as steel. I hope it is clear for all of you. Let's revise it for once again. Firstly, what is an adjective? It is a describing word which tell you more about a noun or an extra information for a noun. Then there are two adjectives. One is gradable, another is non-gradable. Gradable adjectives can be compared, whereas non-gradable adjectives cannot be compared. There are two types of adjective, regular and irregular. In regular adjective you will use er and est, whereas in irregular form you will not use er and est. Whenever we are talking about a particular thing, we'll use superlative. Whenever we are comparing two things or two people, we'll use comparative. And whenever we are talking about a particular thing of a group, we'll use positive degree and add as in starting and ending of a word. Now let's understand adjective forms. To convert a word into an adjective, these suffixes are used: ful, ish, n, ese, ly, al, ous, iable, y, able, ical, and a. Like the way we have changed abstract noun forms, here adjective forms are changed like that only. Let's see few examples. In column 1 you can see words, and in column 2 there are adjectives. Care, careful, we have added ful. Green, greenish, we have added ish. India, Indian, we have added only n. Nation, national, here al is used. Sense, sensible, ible is used. Practice, practical. Danger, dangerous. Avoid, avoidable. Sleep, asleep. Some more examples like enjoy, enjoyable. Beauty, beautiful. Glory, glorious. Live, livable. Friend, friendly. Respect, respectable or respectful. Use, useful. Achieve, achievable. I hope it's clear.